What if my home is partially renovated or mid-makeover?
We clean many homes that are partially renovated, freshly painted, or mid-renovation in the lead up to a sale. Whether your trades just finished yesterday or you're still waiting for a few cosmetic touch-ups, we can work around it. Here's how we support homes mid-reno. Post-trades cleaning, dust plaster, paint marks, tape removal. Final clean before styling or photography. Careful cleaning around new fittings and finishes. Flexible scheduling in case of delays or access issues. We also know which renovation residues need special attention. Grout haze on tiles, fine dust on every surface, paint splatter or silicone marks. Cleaning a home that's almost finished can make it look completely finished and help buyers visualize the final product. We make your transition from reno chaos to inspection ready seamless.